Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna talking about prevent extensions. So what it does is this method prevents and add new properties to an object, extensions to it. You can't have the property anymore. So this is what it does. There is another thing called is extensible. It's go hand in hand with this. So that what it does is it will return the boolean. Is that gonna take properties or not? So let's just show you. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna create an object one, and make it as empty objects. And after that, what we're gonna do is log it on a console, and if we check now, is extensible. So now now if we do the object one, pass the object one, it will give you the boolean for that. So it has now true because it can take it can take properties like object one dot something like this equals it can take properties now. But after we use the reflect dot prevent extensions, after we pass that, what gonna happen is if extension, though it's not extension, it's extension. So after we pass the object one inside that, it will freeze in that time. After that, it become false. Now if we do like the object add properties to it, it gonna give you an uncaught error. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.